To deposit paper money into your Cash App account, start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device. Look for the Banking tab at the bottom of the screen, represented by a $ symbol. Next, select Add Cash from the menu options. Then choose Paper Money to access the Cash Deposit feature. Enter the amount you wish to deposit. Keep in mind the transaction limits. You can deposit between $5 and $500 per transaction. The app will generate a unique QR code, which is your barcode for the deposit. This barcode is time sensitive and expires within 1 hour, so be ready to use it promptly at a participating retailer. You now have your Cash App barcode ready for depositing paper money. Remember to use it within the 1 hour time limit at any participating retail location. With your Cash App barcode ready, you can visit any of the major partner retailers to make your deposit. These include CVS, Walgreens, Dollar General, 7-Eleven, Family Dollar, and select Walmart locations. At the store, present your Cash App barcode to the cashier for scanning. The barcode contains all the necessary information for your deposit transaction. Be aware of important deposit limits and fees. You can deposit up to $1,000 per day and $4,000 per month. Each transaction includes a fee ranging from $1 to $4, depending on the retailer. Remember that your barcode expires within 1 hour of generation, so visit the store promptly. This service has become increasingly popular, especially among individuals without traditional bank accounts, providing a convenient bridge between cash transactions and digital banking.